Now let us look at the example of inheritance using rectangle class and cuboid class. This is a rectangle class which we have already written in our previous example. Let us study it once again quickly. It is having private data members that are length and breadth, and it is having constructors and accessors which are used for getting the values, and mutators which are used for changing the values, and area and perimeter function. And this is a inspector function and destructor. Now I want to write a class for cuboid, so I will write a class cuboid that is publicly inheriting from rectangle. So let us focus on cuboid class. What are the members we require? First of all, private member, we need height of a cuboid. And in public members, we will write constructors, that is cuboid, which is taking height, and assign height as h. So this is one constructor. As the cuboid class will be inheriting all those features that are available in rectangle class, then what are the other methods it needs? This is a constructor, and the other functions are get height, set height. The other functions are accessor methods or mutator methods, that is property methods, or get height and set height methods. So I will write down get height, which is taking h, and here itself which returns height. So here itself I will write down return height. Then set height method, which takes a height as parameter and set height as h. I will not write validation code here. I am implementing the functions within the class itself instead of using scope resolution. Now one more function we need is to calculate volume. A cuboid will have a volume, so here itself I will elaborate. So it will return length into breadth into height. That's it. So here you can see that I got an error message. The error message says that breadth is a private member of rectangle, length is a private member of rectangle. So it means the private members of a base class, these members are not accessible inside child class or derived class. Then for completing my formula, I need length into breadth. So what is the solution now? One option is area gives me length into breadth, so I can call the function area. Otherwise, I can call the functions like a get length and get breadth, which will return length and breadth. I can use those functions here. So let me modify this code and say get length instead of saying length, and this is a function. And same way, get breadth instead of a direct data member, I can use the function. Now it's perfect. So if any members you want to access them which are private, you can access them through these functions. See, now you can find the benefit of using accessor and mutator function. So a child class can use those functions, and even we can use those functions on an object. See, these are the functions of rectangle class which are implemented outside the class. Now let me elaborate main function. I'll just push this code down so that we can see just the main function. Let us write main function. I will create cuboid. C, and the parameter height is 5. That's it. Now I want to find out what is the volume. So I will say c dot volume. Yeah, this is working. Let us run the program and see what volume I get. I have set the height as 5, and also I will mention endl. Let us see what volume I get. I have given the height as 5. Let us run the program. Yeah, it is showing the result as 5. Then where is length and breadth? So if I go back to rectangle class and see, rectangle class is having 3 constructors. One is non-parameterized constructor, and parameterized constructor, and a copy constructor. So what this non-parameterized constructor is doing, this one, if I go to the implementation of this one, you can see that it is setting length as 1 and breadth also as 1. So as we have mentioned height as 5, so it is calculating length into breadth into height, that is 1 into 1 into 5, that is answer is 5. So it means I have not set proper length and breadth. So let me set that proper length and breadth. Can I say c dot set length? Can I call this function? Yes, this is available inside cuboid class also. You can see that it is present in rectangle class. As a cuboid is inheriting from rectangle, so it's available in rectangle class also. So I have set the length, c dot set breadth, and I will mention breadth as 7. So let us see what should be the volume. See, length is 10 and breadth is 7, so this is 70, and into 5, that is 350. So length and breadth and height are multiplied, so I should get the answer as 350. So even I will display a label here, that is volume is so and so. Okay, that is c dot volume. Let us run. Yeah, I got the message that volume is 350. So this is the output from the program. So that's it. So this is how you can inherit a class from another class. So we don't have to rewrite all the things inside cuboid class. Most of the things are borrowed from rectangle class. Just we have to focus on the extension part of a cuboid, that is it is having height. I have written the functions that are only useful for height. So that's it.